Thank you very much for joining me on this Wednesday. I'm meteorologist Brian Shields, and you can see that flare up. This is the cloud cover right here, and where you see those brighter colors, some of the yellows and the oranges, that means there's taller clouds. And in that means we have some heavier rain. Not as much in Honduras and Nicaragua, but we do have those scattered showers and storms, some just south of the Cayman Islands and Jamaica here. But it's really all this moisture here, even watching over toward Martinique, Dominica, Guadeloupe for the rain and storm. So what I want to do is zoom down into that because that flood threat is going to be high. It's this southern storm track again, kind of creating that rain machine. The rain just continues to pick up. So St. Lucia, Barbados, getting back towards St. Vincent and the Grenadines and Grenada. You see here, this is the cloud cover, but you can see the color coding with it, and you see the yellows in this very close to Barbados right now. Again, that means taller clouds. In that, you'll have heavier rain. In that, we have the possibility of flooding. So watching out for a very active pattern right now. St. Lucia, Barbados, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, and Grenada. Let me swing to the south through Trinidad and Tobago. The same thing again as we go through the day today and the next couple days. Scattered rain and storms nearby. Look at that heavy rain, those taller clouds that are sitting just offshore. So I'm going to get into this with the computer models. Now I want to show you this, and I want to be a little bit closer to the Eastern Caribbean because that's where some of the heaviest rain is. And what we just need to take a look at here is these brighter colors as you get back toward anywhere from Guyana, even on the edge of Suriname, northern Venezuela, the ABC Islands. We're going to have some rain nearby. See this white shading here? That could be upwards over the next couple days of some spots over 150 millimeters or 6 inches of rain. Not all the locations, that's a lot of rain, but we are going to see a few spots in here getting that. Also some downpours possible. Puerto Rico, U.S. Virgin Islands, British Virgin Islands, watching over towards St. Martin, St. Croix, St. John for the possibility of at least scattered rain and storms. So here is the computer model, and this is later today, scattered showers and storms. Belize could get a couple over toward the Cayman Islands. But look at this. Look at all this rain. Again, rain and storms across our islands as the day goes on. Watching anywhere from Anguilla down through Antigua and Barbuda, St. Kitts and Nevis. That chance of scattered showers and storms. But it's this southern storm track from the ABC Islands, parts of northern Colombia, all the way back through Trinidad and Tobago, where we have the higher chance of rain. This is on our Thursday afternoon. Scattered showers and storms, Belize, Honduras, Nicaragua. Not as much the Bahamas, Cuba, Haiti, and the Dominican Republic. We could see a few showers and storms, but you see the brighter colors on the map. And again, you see that will correspond to the higher rain total. Same thing on Friday. Watching over here, over here in the Western Caribbean, no signs of tropical development as we work our way back into the Eastern Caribbean. That's where the focus is, with even more wet weather on the way right through the end of the week into the upcoming weekend. Now back to the Western Caribbean, because you were hearing a lot about this earlier this week. Last week, I know some of the other YouTube channels were really diving into it, talking about the possibility of some crazy hurricane popping up. And I said, let me worry about it, not you. And here's the reason why. I'm not seeing that still. The American model, European model, Canadian, Germany, not seeing any signs of true tropical development. The issue is the flooding we're going to see in spots not related to something tropical. Let's bring into a couple forecasts Jamaica today, because we're kind of in between systems. Pixie, we're kind of in between systems. We've got the rain to the east, some rain to the west, isolated showers and storms, only a few around, and that means we are going to be on the hot side. Those numbers near 90 degrees Fahrenheit, 30 degrees Celsius. Winds will be out of the southeast, 15 miles per hour, 24 kilometers an hour. So only a few showers and storms around. Now, hurricane season is about to end. It ends at the end of November, so we're just days away. This has been an unusual November with just how active it has been. So I'll keep an eye on a spin up. I'm not seeing that. Again, the big concern is the flood threat that we're going to see the next few days. So I'm going to update that. I'll stay with you the next few days. Please be safe. I know the rivers are swollen, upwards of 80-85% capacity in parts of Trinidad and Tobago. With that, please keep an eye out for that. I'll let you know about the rain on the way the next few days. In tomorrow's video, I want to dive deeper into the upcoming weekend. I'll see you then.